Okay, we're going to do a cleaning of an Apple Watch sport band. Now this band is my fiance's one. It was pink. It was when I bought it originally. I then bought her another one for a birthday because I was just too lazy to figure out how to clean it. I was using all kinds of things like Dettol wipes, all sorts else. You can see here that the kind of stain of when it's been on against any clothes, any kind of dark clothes. Now, I was a bit skeptical about what I was about to use, but then I kind of did a search online because I was sat there scrubbing away with a Dettol wipe, and then I found a couple of American videos, and it was using something called a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Now, we actually had a couple of these flash magic erasers if you're in the United Kingdom, and this is her pink band. I wish I'd done this video before doing it because it's incredible. That's with it clean. Now this is pretty much how it looked. You can see that bluish greeny tinge to it, and effectively all you use is this little magic eraser sponge. If you've not used them before, it's incredible. I think they're around about £2-3. Get them in a pack of 2. So I'm just going to try and do this really quickly. See if we can film doing this in the best way we can. So you just take the magic eraser, take your little sponge. You can see here that I've kind of used it. You can see where that green came from the original. I'm going to zoom in here. You just soak it up a little bit. Give it a quick squeeze. My lovely assistant was actually helping me. Let's just get a little bit in. And then you just scrub away. It does take a little bit of a scrub. But it's already starting to kind of come good. Got to put a little bit of pressure on there. I'm going to squeeze again. Now she's had her watch for about a year. So I'm going to really go to town on this a bit. It is already really working wonders. This is going to be a bit tough because there's a hole, so I don't want to try and stretch and ruin anything. But yeah, that's really coming good, to be honest. I didn't think this was ever going to work. Pretty much there you have it, I would say. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's just take those bits off. Let's wipe it all down. And yeah, there you go. So that's pretty much a clean band for what we have there. So yeah, flash magic erasers, ultra power if you're in the UK, the Mr. Clean eraser if you're in the USA. Definitely worth it. Saves you the cost of buying one, but to be fair, she's now got 2, so lucky for her. But yeah, definitely give that a go if you're looking to try and erase anything off a lighter coloured silicone Apple Watch band with any of those marks. As you can see, fantastically clean. There's a little bit there. You might have to give it a couple of goes, but yeah, great stuff.